Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Facebook advertising and explore how you can run effective ads through Facebook Business Manager. Whether you're a business owner or a marketer, this video will provide you with valuable insights on harnessing the power of Facebook ads. So, let's get started. Step 1. Set up your Facebook Business Manager. To begin running ads on Facebook, you'll need to create a Facebook Business Manager account. Go to business.facebook.com and click on Create Account. Follow the prompts to set up your account by providing your business details, connecting your Facebook page, and adding team members if necessary. Facebook Business Manager will serve as your central hub for managing your ads and assets. Step 2. Define your advertising objective. Before creating your ads, it's crucial to define your advertising objective. What do you want to achieve with your ads? Is it to drive website traffic, generate leads, increase brand awareness, or boost sales? Facebook offers a range of objectives to choose from. Select the one that aligns with your marketing goals, as it will determine how Facebook optimizes your ads and delivers them to your target audience. Step 3. Create your ad campaign. Now it's time to create your ad campaign. Within Facebook Business Manager, navigate to Ads Manager and click on Create. Choose your campaign objective, and then proceed to set up your ad set and ad. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. Select the ad placements, budget, and schedule. Finally, create your ad using attention-grabbing visuals, compelling copy, and a strong call to action. Step 4. Monitor and optimize your ads. Once your ads are live, it's crucial to monitor their performance and optimize them for better results. Facebook Ads Manager provides detailed analytics to help you track key metrics such as reach, engagement, conversions, and cost per result. Use this data to identify what's working and what's not. Make necessary adjustments to your targeting, ad creative, or bidding strategy to improve performance and maximize your return on investment. Step 5. A/B testing and audience insights. To take your Facebook ads to the next level, consider conducting A/B testing. Create variations of your ads to test different visuals, headlines, or calls to action. Split your audience and allocate a portion to each variation. Monitor their performance and determine which elements resonate best with your target audience. Additionally, leverage the audience insights provided by Facebook to gain a deeper understanding of your audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors. Step 6. Scaling and retargeting. As you start seeing success with your Facebook ads, it's time to scale your campaigns and reach a wider audience. Increase your budget gradually while maintaining your targeting and ad performance. Additionally, consider retargeting those who have already engaged with your ads or website. Use Facebook's custom audience feature to target these warm leads and encourage them to take further action or make